right, take 6. I keep hitting the button. I can't have a tripod. This isn't set up very good here. I'm trying to get this in the hole. If this doesn't go this time, I'm just gonna give up on it. So let's see if that will hold it. It looks like it's pointed there. I can't see it, but all right, so I got to get this off. And it's trying to grow some new shoots. It's got new shoots coming out on it right now, so perfect time to get this in the ground. Wait, maybe if I roll it this way. Hey, there we go. All right, piece of cake. All I got to do is get this to roll in that edge and that not to hit me in the head when it goes plopping down into the hole. Okay. I think I can. Come on, baby. Oh, shit. Excuse my language. There we go. Come on, baby. You can do it. There we go. Perfect. I didn't think I was going to get all that done today. Whoo-wee. In the hole. In the line. Perfect. Right where I wanted it. I just got to mulch that in. Water it. Oh, I got to go out to the street and look at it. Oh, it's pretty tall. And it's going to put out shoots pretty quick too. God.